Greetings everyone, David J. Coon with Qigong Awareness, practicing a little bit of Qigong out here in the park. Wanted to share with you the fact that we are going to be teaching some seminars in 2027. These are live CEU workshops. Acupuncturists and massage therapists can receive 15 continuing education units for these courses. We are approved by the large majority of the boards for acupuncture and massage. But lay people are also welcome to come to these programs too. We have a weekend program coming up in January. We're going to be on the big island of Hawaii. In Wilmington next year, we're going to actually have a 6-day program in July where you can actually become a certified Qigong instructor in 6 days. It's going to be a very concentrated 6 days. We're going to be teaching a couple of programs that week, so check that out. And then we will be in Asheville next year in August, and then we're going to be back to Hawaii in January of 2028. And there may be some other workshops in betwixt and in between. Check it out. And if you can't make it to one of these live programs where we practice Qigong, we practice meditation, we go over theory and philosophy, and we do healing work on each other all weekend long, if you can't make it, check out some of the online courses. We have 8 of them where we have traveled around the country and filmed those previously at other weekend programs. You can also get CEUs for that workshop. There's a lot of S's in there. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you at one of our programs. Thank you.